This is what Hornby did when they were designing Thomas the Tank Engine. Basically, they put a face on an E1 model and painted blue. Now here is Hornby's attempt at producing the Steampunk range, a range of models designed to look steampunk by slapping some gears and other bits and pieces that I don't think really have any functionality. I mean, I know this is all fictional, but what do these odd little bits do here and there, really? I mean, did they think about what the purpose would be if that bit was there and that bit was there? Did they really think about it? We'll pick up that topic in a minute, because now I want to introduce you to my vision of Thomas the Tank Engine in Steampunk. This is a Hornby Thomas, spray painted in both matte blue and black. I chose these colours after seeing a Botman Jr. Stewart model. This just makes Thomas less bright and cheery and more serious and dramatic. After that, I lightly brushed some silver paint to add some scratch mark details. On the side of Thomas here is a generator. This would function as a source of power that would power his lights where his buffers would be. This piece came from a Big Boy Airfix model. It's part of its axles, but to me it looked like it could be some headlights. Here at the back are these gears. The purpose of these gears is to help shift the coal, making it easier for the firemen to shovel every last bit of coal in Thomas's bunker. Then we come to the front of Thomas. Now you're probably wondering, why is he so sad? The reason being is because he is in survival mode. The driver and fireman had to use all these bits and bobs to improve on him to survive the apocalypse, and he is not happy that now his appearance has changed dramatically. He is no longer the cheery, happy #1 engine that everyone knows and loves. And then, just to top it all off, quite literally top it all off, I had my friend Rob design a top hat for me with some goggles. This just makes him a little bit more steampunk, I guess. Just a bit of fun, really. The best thing about it is it fits over the funnel, and it's removable as well. Okay, I think it's time now to get Thomas down onto the track. Well, I do hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you have, please leave a like. Thank you for watching, and until next time, my friends, cheerio!
It's my world.